So hi guys, welcome in our channel, and if you're new on here, consider subscribing and like our video. So guys, today we have an amazing product which we found and contact the company, and they sent something really cool for us to review. They called Pso Rite. It's one of the first tools which I found and been designed to release a psoas muscle. And as a massage therapist, we know exactly how really difficult it is to work with the psoas and to release it. This one will go for Sinead to review.
Oh wow, thank you, good throw. I'll just finish making my brew and I'll go and have a play. Thank you. Hi guys, so we have got the PsoRIte to have a look at. First impressions, I'm not that keen, if I'm completely honest. We said we'd be completely honest with these reviews, and I feel really horrible if it's something I don't really like the look of, but yeah, if I'm completely honest, it's not something I would have picked up myself, I don't think. But I will give it a go and we will commit to the 5 days that I said I would. It's quite smooth plastic, but it's quite hard. It's just not what you think of with relaxation, stretching, but we'll give it a go and we'll have a look and see. I've decided I'm going to do the psoas because that's what it was originally built for, and the calf because my right calf is particularly tight at the moment. So I thought if I do stretching and this, and we'll see at the end of the week to compare and see what they're like. Yeah, like I say, I'm a little bit anxious, but let's give it a go, you never know. I've had a look at the little instruction card that came with the PsoRIte. It gives hints and tips and pictures of different parts of the body that you can work on, but it didn't give much of instructions, so I was a little bit wary. So I've been on to their Instagram post, which is brilliant. Their Instagram page is actually really, really good. There's lots of little videos they post quite often, and they'll do hints and tips on different areas of the body and how to work the psoas. So when I had a look, well, and other muscles as well, when I had a look, it explained that you need to put your belly button more or less in the middle here, and that roughly guides these points into the psoas, and to lower yourself gently onto it with some support because it can be quite tender area. So let's give it a go. So wish me luck. If I place my belly button right there. Oh yes, that's about right. A little bit of wiggling. And yeah, that's about right. I can feel myself lowering. Oh, it's tender. Lowering into that area. Okay, so now we're going to try the calf. So there's various ways to do this. One is to keep it on its side, and to, oh wow, that's quite tender, work up and down using, if I use the other side, it might be easier to see, using this part to really get into the calf muscle, and then a little bit of flexion just to work like some soft tissue release in there. Can also use that the other way as well to get a different angle. Oh, that is quite tender in there. But again, you can lift your leg up higher or put more pressure on if need be. Also, the other way round was this way round to use the base, and you can get a bit more. Oh, okay, that's a bit too tender right now. But it gives the same idea that you can rest it on here and flex to get some soft tissue release. I think for today, maybe I'll just stick to just the softer side. It's a little bit more gentle. And oh yes, but I can definitely feel this needs a lot of work. I'll keep on with this and I shall see you in the next couple of days. Bye. Hey guys, we're now on day 2. So let's keep up and have another go. Hey guys, we're on day 3. guys, I thought I would hand deliver this rather than sending it back through magic.
Thank you. So what do you think?
What did I think? My initial thoughts when you sent it to me was it was a bit cold and plastic and a bit scary. It was quite nice. It came with some little cards of how to use it, but I was still a little bit concerned about using it. So I went onto Instagram, onto the PsoRIte page, which is absolutely brilliant. There's lots of videos, tips and tricks on how to use it. So I decided that I would use it for the psoas because that's what it was originally for, and also my calf, because my right calf gets quite stuck. So I used it for the 5 days, and by the end of it I have been converted, I must admit. The psoas was quite uncomfortable, quite tender, but by going into a plank position and lowering gently onto it makes it a little bit easier, and then moving your legs just to like floss and move the muscle around. So it did release off, and by day 5 was a lot easier, a lot quicker to sink, and yeah, I could feel a really big difference. And the same with the calf. I didn't do the left just so I could compare the two in comparison to stretching that I'd normally do. And yeah, I must admit I am convinced it is a better tool than I first thought. I think it just takes some perseverance. But yeah, I like it. I think you'd have to be careful with who you use it with, because I think some people wouldn't like the deepness that it gets. But I think for people that like deep tissue, that like the sports feel, I think it is, yeah, it's a really good tool. But you tried it as well, what did you think?
So with my experience of this tool is definitely, we know how really difficult it is to reach the psoas, even working as a massage therapist, and how uncomfortable you have to go through all the visceral abdominal wall to get there and to release. Yeah. But is with the releasing the psoas is the consistency of this release. So this is exactly really one of the first tools we actually found it, that actually you can use it at home every day to help you release the hip flexors, which is quite fantastic. It is quite, I found it very aggressive, exactly with the really good techniques. Yeah. You can really nicely use it and release your psoas, which is like pretty amazing. As well, I used it on my occipital ridge. You can really use this blade to work on and dig there to release your neck and head muscles. As well, is fantastic for soft tissue release, calf, adductors, hamstrings, even glutes. Pretty good. Have this bit plasticky feel, but it's very stable, very big, and as well you have a little one, which guys I've been using for my forearms, and we as a massage therapist, it's just fantastic to have something like that in a clinic. And what you do exactly, you just press here, you can put it on a table and do some soft tissue release in here and move it around. It works really well.
Yeah, I think it's a really nice alternative as well to the foam roller. I know I have a love-hate relationship with my foam roller, but one thing, especially for the calves on the foam, is hard to get any pressure. Even when you put one leg on top of the other, it's hard to get, whereas this really gets in there and really helps to release, especially when you're moving the foot when it's on there. It really,
the design really works well to strip the muscle and to dig deep, to really go into the deeper level and work on the trigger points. When foam roller are great to do some myofascial work. Yeah. But this one is, I think.
Also the adductors, I find with the foam roller, I quite often lose the roller or lose my balance, whereas that, because it's got those grips on the bottom and it stays there, it's easier to balance myself on it because this isn't moving, whereas the foam roller does.
Yeah. So alright guys, thank you for sending us. This is our review. I think it's great, and I think massage therapists around will really benefit from it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the links below when you can have a look for the PsoRIte Instagram and the place where you can buy them. Yeah,
great.
Yeah, so great.
Go.
So great. Yeah, great.
So guys, have a play with it. That's the one piece of advice I would give. Don't buy it, try it once and think, nah, it's not for me. Commit to it for 5 days. Pick a certain muscle and work on it. Have a play with it because it can be used in various places. And the first thing to do is follow it on social media so you get lots of tips and ideas on how to use it.
Like every massage tool, exactly, you need to consistently use it to feel the benefits. If you use it one off, don't buy it. But if you really have a struggle with, releasing the hip flexors, this is, BusyHive approved and definitely would be great tool to have in your massage clinic.
Yes.
Guys, I hope you like this video.
Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and share so everyone else can have a look and see what they think as well.
If you use this alright or you have any other massage tool you're using in the massage clinic, comment below and let us know. As well, if you are producing any massage tools or any product with massage therapists will beneficial, get in touch on hello@busyhive.co.uk. Send us, we're gonna review it and talk about it for you.
Yes, so get in touch and we shall see you soon.
Bye bye.
Bye.